Hey, and welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about the new API Insights Visual Studio Code extension. So let's go have a look at it. Come over to your extensions in Visual Studio Code. If you just search for Treblle, you'll see it's here. So API Insights is a great free tool to help keep your API in check while you are developing. You can't see the rest of it there, but while you're developing your API. So got full details explaining exactly how it works, exactly what it does. Some nice little explainers, easy way to use it. It shows you everything you might need to do. So let's focus on how it works. I've got an example OpenAPI specification here. It's a JSON file. It uses OpenAPI version 3.0. Got a little bit of information. Got servers, and it's got some paths. So how can I use this? If I just click down here, I can click on open a file. This will allow me to select the file, and it will start generating the API insights. It will straight away open this simple browser within your Visual Studio Code editor and allow you to quickly go and view things. So you can see that I've got 11 endpoints, detected the URL, it's given me a score. F for design, A for performance, and an F for security. Now this is just an example API, but what happens if we make changes? So let's go make a change to articles. So what do we want? What do we want to change? We could add another one, and we're just going to add Treblle in there. And it detects a change straight away, so it watches the file that you've generated. So we can rerun those tests, and that'll straight away refresh that. And there we go. We've got the report. Nothing's changed. It's just minimal changes there. But we can click to open in a browser, and we can go view the full report quickly and easily if we want to. But the important thing to remember here is that you can work on your JSON API specification within your editor and have it automatically start giving you feedback and insights into where you might need to add some improvements. So you can go find that on the Visual Studio Code extension marketplace, or you can click over on the extensions over here, look for Treblle or API Insights, download it, let us know what you think. Super excited to see what you think about this one. Have a good day.